All right, we're gonna take a cruise here in one of my favorites, the 1997 Porsche Carrera 4S. So the Carrera 4S has turbo suspension, turbo brakes, wide body, but doesn't have the turbo engine. So, and some people like that. The turbos are they're pretty fast and a little bit more maintenance. But this is the standard 3.6 liter, flat six, air and oil cooled engine. They're rated at 282 horsepower. It's a fun car to drive, and it's a 6-speed. It's almost like you can't even get a stick shift anymore. So this one's a 6-speed manual, hydraulic clutch, real easy to drive. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes and analog brakes. Big brakes, you know, for the turbo. They're red calipers. Got 18-inch wheels on it, which is small, I guess, in today's standards, but they look good on this car. Some chrome 18-inch wheels, a little staggered, a little wider in the back. But it's finished in ocean blue metallic, which is a really nice color. It's got a real kind of a bluish purplish tint to it. Also has the black supple leather interior. Supple leather's got a little wrinkly look to it. The pretty stock car, except for the radio. It's got an aftermarket stereo, which is way better than the originals. Got a Kenwood, Bluetooth. But the car runs so nice, and this one's got a little bit of miles on it. It's got 102,000 miles, which is nothing in the world of Porsches, but it saves you probably 30 grand on this car, because the low mileage ones are bringing 150 plus. So this particular car is kind of a bargain, even though it's a lot of money. It's going up in value, not down, and it's driven, so you don't have to be afraid to drive it. Fun car though. Woohoo! Things runs real good. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here with our 1997 Porsche Carrera 4S. These were the 993 designation Carrera. They're all 911 Carreras, but this particular year was a 993. Finished in ocean blue metallic. One of my favorite colors. I love the blues in these cars. They look fantastic. This one has the motor sound package, which has a little larger airbox with the larger oval tip exhaust tips there. It's got 19-inch wheels, chrome. Of course, it's got the turbo suspension and brakes because it's an S, or 4S I should say. The 2S is just a wide body, doesn't have the same braking system. It's kind of overkill for what the car is, but you'll never run out of brakes. Nice body, nice paint. Got some PPF there on the hood to protect it from stone chips. A lot of people do the whole car nowadays. But like I mentioned earlier, this one's got 102,000 miles on it. It's not a baby. It's been driven, it's been used, but taken care of. You just basically carry the torch with one of these, maintain it. The servicing is pretty simple on this car. Not a whole lot involved. It's got supple leather interior. It's got these nice little aluminum door sills, Carrera 4S door sills. This one also has the premium sound package, which is the extra speakers in the doors. The original radio is long gone, but they can be had if you wanted something stock. But this one has a better Kenwood on it. So it's got Bluetooth. It also has, you can plug in a little, auxiliary port there, or USB. But they come pretty standard. It's got power seats, it's got cruise control, power windows, power sunroof, power mirrors. This one's got the 8-way seats. It's got a little, sorry excuse for a back seat back here. If you got little kids or something. There's shoulder harnesses back there too. Got the Porsche crest embossed in the top of the seat. It's a great looking car. They're so much fun to drive. They're appreciating in value. I mean, you can drive this car every day if you wanted to. Ferraris, you get maybe. They hurt the value by putting too many miles on them, but these will go a few 100,000 miles if you take care of them. Here's the power plant in the 1997 Carrera 4S. That's the engine I was talking about earlier. It's a 3.6 liter flat six, air and oil cooled. They got lots of oil in them. No radiators, no timing belts, no water pumps. Not like the newer ones. Pretty simple to take care of. Just maintain them. But 282 horsepower along with that 6-speed transmission. I mean, I think top speed's 170 something miles per hour. That's enough to get you in trouble. All right, we're gonna go ahead and fire this one up for you. Got a nice sound to it. I love that motor sound package too. Pretty cool. It also has that little tail that kind of comes up when you get going. Kind of stabilizes the car, actually. Not necessarily for cooling, it's for keep the car on the ground when you're going too fast. Anyhow, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of the car. And or if you want it shipped or need some financing, got a few different options here for you. Thanks for watching.